how do you assess the peace process that has started for almost a year now?
The peace process till now has been, let's say, propelled by the unilateral steps of the Kurdish Freedom Movement. After long years of struggle, particularly military struggle, against the Turkish state, Leader Apo called on our movement to embark on new strategy and to abandon the old strategy of military struggle and embark on the strategy of democratic politics in order to open new ways for the solution of the Kurdish question. The steps that have now been taken are mostly unilateral. I mean, the call by Leader Apo for peace and democratic community, followed by the unilateral ceasefire, and then PKK convened its 12th Congress, and there they decided to dissolve their present organizational structure. And after that, before the witness of the world, a group of our comrades who called themselves the Group for Peace and Democratic Community, they burned their weapons to manifest our sincerity and our seriousness in the steps that we have taken in the change of strategy. But as far as the Turkish side is concerned, till now they have not taken any concrete, practical steps for the process to go on. Particularly, the regime of isolation against Leader Apo still continues.